President Rodrigo Duterte reiterates his warning to government workers not to engage in illegal drugs and corruption. For the full story, here's Ria Fernandez.
President Rodrigo Duterte appeals to local officials and other government workers to stay away from illegal drugs. Upon arrival at Davao from his state visit in Japan, the president has shown anew the last drug list that is an inch thick, proving how serious is our problem in drug menace. Before revealing to the public its content, the president says he wants to talk first to the institutions where those involved in drugs work.
Ito na yung, if not controlled, and when I am no longer around, try to remember me because you read this. This will convert our country narco-politics very thoroughly. Nandito na tayo sa narco-politics, police, wala masyadong army, police, barangay captains, kagawad, pati barangay captain dito. And I mean, it was submitted to me for validation and revalidation and revalidation. Ito ang dumating sa akin. Each space there has a name.
Meanwhile, the president warns again about corruption.
I will be harsh in dealing with people in government or in the private sector, dealing with government in a corrupt way. Because then, pinagsayangan ko lang itong pagod ko. Ilang beses na ako pabalik-balik dito. Tapos ganunan lang ang...
President has stressed that prohibitions to government workers remain effective, like riding a plane in business class and playing casino. The president is also against those who ask for money in exchange for a service. To monitor their activities, the president says he will redirect NBI to conduct a lifestyle check. He is also encouraging the public to use 8888 hotline for complaints. Complaints will be made public through PTV4.
PTV4, right after the news, would have about 30 to 1 hour. Bakante yan, that is for the people of the Republic of the Philippines. You dial 8888. Sabihin mo anong opisina, sino yung tao, magkano ang hiningi. And I will act immediately in 24 hours.
For PTV News, Ria Fernandez, Davao City.